What you doing with that motherfucker, twin? Let me see. Get that bit right. Man, drop me one more on that motherfucker, twin. I don't know what they were doing. Fuck with me one more time, man. Jerk meat, man. Yeah, I'll take that one. I'll take that one. Get me right, man. Burrito jerk sound motherfucker. I'm gonna put that bitch in there. I'm gonna bite that bitch with it.
What that jerk?
That is jerk, man.
Be good.
Mm-hmm.
My hand dirty. I just got finna pick it up. It's another one ready. Hold it for me. Let me go wipe my hand.
Wash your hand.
I just picked up some train. Go wash my hands. Give me a drum.
What are you doing?
It's not my son-in-law.
I ain't holding the button, nigga.
Daniel, come here.